Hello and welcome to the channel. We have a big storm last night with hail, and so you can see that most of the lily tepals are down, so they look very rattled, and some stems are just down on the ground, broken. So not an ideal situation, but we have to make do what we have. So there are a couple of longiflorums flowering and some Asiatics. This is a golden stone LA hybrid, and you can see that some stems just broke at soil level, so I will leave this one on the ground because if I try to make it stand up it will broke totally. And you can see that we have a wall, so well, this is life. I would have gone without a storm, but it was not my decision. This is Mr. Pistache, a lovely tetraploid, and well, stems are down. Also, I have so much drought that some tepals burnt. You can see. So this would have been a nice seedling, but it's just how it is. It's not a nice sight. You can see that all my crates have been turned over because of the wind, and I wanted to cut these stems for the house, but I won't because they look really bad. Orange space is flowering, is nice. Well, the good news is I don't have to give the plants water because the soil is moist enough. Not many things are alive. Oh, and look at these. The sunflowers are also down. So I will leave them there because I don't want to break them more. Oh, these beautiful, beautiful OTs. Broken stems. Oh, it's just a shame. Oh. And you can see we had so much rain that it pulled the water. And broken stems everywhere. Pots fell over. Well, I still have some plants alive, so that's good news. But I also have the weeds, and it's a shame, really shame. Pistachio is in flower, and Polar Star is in flower, and pots falling over everywhere. This is a lovely apricot tiger lily. So, from Minnesota. Well, I don't feel great about this, but it's just, it is what it is. I will still have good lilies. Look at this. Nice buds. The foliage damaged, but I will still have flowers. So that's good news. Okay. Thank you for your attention. See you next time. Bye bye.